All of the classes were great, but my favorite class was the negotiation class. It just gave me a different perspective on negotiating and just how to look at it in simple terms as an exchange of information. Hi, my name is Gilbert, and I have been a member of the Tri-County Suburban REALTORS for 8 years now, and I'm a graduate of the 2025 Leadership Development Program. So for my speech at graduation, I talked about the story of the bamboo tree. The bamboo tree, once you plant the seed, it takes 5 years to develop anything, and you're constantly watering it. For me to break through the ground, just in those short 6 weeks, I felt like I grew 90 feet with the information, the invaluable information that I received. Since graduating from the Leadership Development Program, I have been more confident. I'm a better communicator. I'm a better listener. Love the pause, the power of the pause we learned, and just all around a better leader of myself, which I didn't realize was important, but I am a better leader. Before you can be a better leader of others, you need to be a better leader of yourself. I think that everybody at some point in their career should take this leadership development program. Realtors are leaders, and so you need to be trained on how to be a leader.